Hi everyone. The menu I choose to show you today. Many people may be may know already because it's a snack or appetizer for leisure time party. It's easy for people who don't have time. Let me present your how to make the most dip. In next ingredients, chocolate, cracker, and marshmallow. First preheat your oven to 400 degrees. True. Grab 2-3 of your chocolate bar. Break up them and arrange them at bottom of your bowl. Next, top with marshmallow. And then put bowl in the preheat oven to 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, marshmallow is the easy snack for everyone. Was a mess. Today I have to the tester for everyone. Enjoy it. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me now. Thank you.